Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot loaded potato and chicken casserole, and we're also going to be using a Melty crisp lid. Alright guys, I'm starting out in a large bowl. I have 8 russet potatoes I cut into nice sized chunks, and I have 2 chicken breasts I cut in about the same size. We're going to go ahead and season this up. I'm going to start by putting a healthy teaspoon of paprika in there. And I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Dexter's in there quiet, so they're playing with his toys. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. And I got 2 parakeets in there. I don't know if they're keeping Dexter quiet or if he's just content right now. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of pepper. I haven't really named the parakeets yet. One's blue and one's green. I'll show you guys in another video. I'm going to put in 6 teaspoons of hot sauce. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Now I'm going to put in 1/3 cup of olive oil. Okay, that's looking about good. Now let me get in here and stir this up to mix everything together. Now this recipe was made to be baked in the oven in a casserole dish, but I'm converting it to the Instant Pot because it's not going to take long at all in there versus baking about an hour and 20 minutes in the oven. And if you don't have a Melty crisp lid, I'll show you what to do in the end with just your Instant Pot. Now that I have this all blended together well, everybody's well seasoned. Okay, now I have my Instant Pot set on the saute setting and it's hot. I'm going to go ahead and add all this in here, the peppers and, the potatoes and the chicken. And guys, this is smelling good already with them seasonings in there. And I'm just going to saute this in here till the chicken starts to brown up and the potatoes start to brown up some. I'll bring it back when we move on to the next part. Okay, now that my potatoes and chicken browned for a little while, I added in a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to close this up and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes. When my 6 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, now that my 6 minutes are up and I did that quick release of the pressure, I have a 2.5 ounce pack of bacon bits. You could also brown up bacon, crisp it up, but this is a little easier. I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to add in some shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now, if you don't have the Melty crisp lid, you would transfer this into a 9x13 baking pan that's greased. And I'm going to put probably about a cup to a cup and a half cheese in there. And you would put it under your broiler for a few minutes, but watch it, because under the broiler it will brown really fast and it will burn if you don't keep an eye on it. I'm going to go ahead and stir in that bacon and that cheese in there. And guys, this is smelling really good. Okay, now I'm going to take more cheese and sprinkle it on top. Just a light coating because we put the cheese down inside. Stirred some in. Alright. Now I'm going to take more bacon bits. Yeah, we're going crazy with this, guys. I have another 2.5 ounce pack of bacon pieces. I should bake bacon pieces, not bits, because you want them a little bigger. You don't want them small like little bits. And you don't want to buy the artificial ones because they're just nasty. Get the real ones. And I'm going to put a nice coating on this. Probably about half of the pack or so. Now I'm going to put my Melty crisp lid on here. Make sure we're seated on there good. Okay, now I'm going to bring you up a little bit so you can see here, guys. Put the handle down. I'm going to set my time for, we'll try 4 minutes. I'm going to set the temperature to 400. Now I'll keep an eye on that to make sure it doesn't burn, but I think 400 for 4 minutes. I think that's what the time was, wasn't it? Yeah, 400 for 4 minutes. I think that'll do a nice job on browning that up. Alright guys, this is done. The 4 minutes at 400 was just fine. It's nice and brown and crusty, and that bacon, you can put it under the air fryer that it kind of like brought out the natural oils in it and crisped that up even more and brought it more to life. Alright, let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and garnished this with some green onion. Let me get in here and give this a taste. I'll start out by tasting some chicken here. It's really tender. between the seasoning and the hot sauce, it's really flavorful, guys. Let me try a little bit of potato and cheese. Now we know this is going to be good. A little green onion on there. With that bacon on there. That's really delicious, guys. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot loaded potato and chicken casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.